Yo, what's up, guys, and good morning. Wake and bake. Day after Christmas. My God, I hope y'all had a good one. Woo, it's a cold motherfucking one out the window today. So, anyways, we got some. That's all we have to wake and bake on today. So, too, we'll be up later on. So, let's do this. This is strawberry cough, sativa hybrid, THC Cannabis marijuana. Oh yeah, good morning, wake and bake. Oh yeah, let's go. Cheers. That's good. Tastes good too. Whew. Wow. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So it's the day after Christmas, and I hope everyone got what they wanted and wished for and all that. And I hope you all had a good and safe one. Cheers. Wow. Real talk though, you know, it's about my life a little bit. Like, I'm the really cool, easiest person to get along with until at that point of a blackout will come out. That's the only time. But that's the thing. I wish I never had that, but see, I got schizophrenic bipolar. My wife's just got bipolar. That's not a good combination, but it obviously works. I'm like now, I mean, we've been together all together 16 years, going on 17 years, guys. So it's crazy. But anyways, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I mean, very fucking easy person to get along with, man. It's just to that point, you know. That something makes me pissed off or something. I don't know. Well, I really wish I didn't have that issue. That's why I got fixed because I didn't want my kid to grow up like that, and I had to deal with it. It had been terrible in my back home, and after myself, that's terrible. You never do that. Okay, guys, but I don't have anxiety, thank God, because I love my sativa. And I don't have the other thing, whatever it's called, sick or whatever, nose change, weather changes, whatever that's called. Okay, anyways, yeah, I don't have that, whatever that shit's called. It was just, yeah, you know what I'm talking about, man. Just really can't think of the term. But the only thing I really have wrong is the psycho problems. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna open this here. Oh, shit. It's heavy. Monster box. Be right back. I'm gonna have to get this open. Alright, here we go. Okay, get a monster out. Woohoo! Shit. Good morning. That's why they call it strawberry cough, because it coughs you, it will make you cough. Alright, well, anyways, yeah. I'm gonna open this one quick, this can. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo. Yeah. Shit. Excuse me. Ooh, damn. But a piece of but in my mouth. Alright. Whoa, hell yeah, wake and bake. Strawberry cough, and I'm high already. Wow. So yeah, guys, I hope y'all have a good one. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to be notified, and smash the like. Oh yeah. Okay. It's cashed out. It is cashed out, guys. Alright, well, some good shit. Anyways, that was Strawberry Cough, Sativa Hybrid, THC Cannabis Marijuana. Good morning, wake and bake. Subscribe for more smoke videos creeping up on your YouTube screen.